Good morning to everybody. So during live session already we discussed question number 3 and question number 4. So today I will do those two questions again. So what it is given for you, that is find the missing values, base of the parallelogram given, height you have to find, and area of the parallelogram. Base it is given, base is given how much, 20 centimeter, and then you have to find the height, and then area is given, area of the parallelogram, which is equal to, I think, 246 centimeter square. Yes, 246 centimeter square. Am I right here? Yes. Now what is the area of the parallelogram? Base into corresponding height, then it will be base into h. It is given that 246. So both are in the same units only. Here it is centimeter, here it is in centimeter square. If the units are not same, you have to convert into the same unit. Am I right? Yes. Now base is given that 20, and then we are going to find the height. So 20 into h equal to 246. H equal to 246 by 20. Then 10 2s are 20, 2 2s are 24, 3 2s are 6, which is equal to 123 by 10, which is equal to 12.3 centimeter. How much, dear? 12.3 centimeter. Am I right? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? Yes. In the second part, what it is given for you? Area of parallelogram given, base you have to find, base you have to find, height it is given, height is 15 centimeter, then area of parallelogram is given 154.5. area of parallelogram is given, area of parallelogram it is given 154.5 centimeter square. Now what is the area of the parallelogram? Base into height. Area of the parallelogram is what? Base into height. Now base into height, which is equal to 154.5. base we don't know that, we are trying to find the base only. Height is 15, which is equal to 154.5. Am I right? Here the height is given in centimeter, the area is also in centimeter square, so units are same. Now so base that is equal to 154.5 by 15. Am I right here? Yes. I think so it goes with 3 table, because 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, here it is also 15, so both the numbers goes with 3 table. So 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 1 3 is 3 remaining 1, 5 3s are 15, that is base equal to 51.5 by 5. Again it goes with 5 table. Am I right? Yes. 1 5 is 5, 10 5s are 50 remaining 1, 3 5s are 15, so therefore base that is equal to 10.3 centimeter. 10.3 centimeter. Am I right? Yes. Now look at the third part. Here, so base of the parallelogram you have to find, height of the parallelogram is given, look at the third part, third question, third part, base of the parallelogram you have to find, height of the parallelogram is 8.4 centimeter, and then area of the parallelogram is given 48.72 meter square, centimeter square. Area of parallelogram that is equal to 48.72 centimeter square. Now already we know that area of the parallelogram is nothing but base into height, base into height. So base into height, which is equal to 48.72 centimeter square. Now base we don't know that, but height it is given that 8.4, that is equal to 48.72. Now base that is equal to 48.72 by 8.4. Am I right? So it goes with the 4 table, I think so, because 18 1 4 is 4, 18 4 is 72. Am I right? Yes. Then 2 4s are 8, 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 4 is 4 remaining 3, 8 4s are 32. Am I right? So 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8 is what 12 here. So it goes with which table? 3 table. So you can write like 1 to 1.8 by 21. That is multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10 in both numerator and denominator. So it will become 121.8 by 21 here. It goes with 3 table now. 7 3s are 21. 4 3s are 12. 0.6 3s are 18. Am I right here? Yes. Again it goes with which table? 7 table. That is 40.6 divided by 7. 1 7 is 7. 5 7s are 35. Remaining 5. That is 56. Then 8 7s are 56. Therefore, base equal to 5.8 centimeter. What is the base of the parallelogram? 5.8 centimeter. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. Look at the fourth part. From the table, the base of the parallelogram is given 15.6 centimeter. Fourth part. Base of the parallelogram is given. Base of the parallelogram is 15.6 centimeter. And then you have to find the height. But area is given 16.38. 16.38 centimeter square. What is the area of the parallelogram now? Area of the parallelogram is base into height. Area of the parallelogram is already it is given for you how much? 16.38 centimeter square. So base is how much? 15.6 into we don't know the height. Then height 16.38. Now height that is equal to 16.38 by 15.6. 15.6. Am I right here? Now what you can do? Yes. Multiply by 10 here in both numerator and denominator. It will be 163.8 by 156. It is height. Am I right? Now 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 7, 10, 18. It goes with 3 table then. 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12, remaining 1, 6 3s are 18. That is H equal to 54.6 by 52. Am I right? Yes. Now 52. Now 52 here what we need? Yeah, I think it goes with 8 table because 8 it will go 52. Here what we need? 6 we need. Am I right? Okay, first you divide by 2 then. 26 2s are 52. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 7 2s are 14. 3 2s are 6. Am I right? Then it goes with 13 table. 2 13s are 26. 2 13s are 26. Remaining 1. 1 13 is 13. Then it is 2.1 by 2. H is what? 2.1 by 2. Which is equal to 1.05. It will be 1.05 centimeter. What is the height of the parallelogram? 1.05 centimeter. Are you getting there? Yes. So we completed the third question. In the next video, we will see the question number 4. Thank you everybody. Thank you.